What's up, outdoor explorers? If you are tired of eating cold sandwiches in the woods and want a real hot meal on your next adventure, you need the right gear. Finding the best foldable camping stove can totally change your trip. Welcome to Tech Kingo. Let's get started. Meet the Nature Hike Foldable Camping Stove. This versatile cooking companion is designed to transform your traditional outdoor cooking into a completely seamless and enjoyable experience. When spending time in nature, you do not want to compromise on your meals. This piece of equipment brings the absolute comfort and capability of a full home kitchen straight into the open air. Whether you are heading out for a family camping trip, tailgating at your favorite game, or simply having a fun outdoor gathering, this portable stove easily handles all your culinary needs. One of the most impressive aspects of the Nature Hike Foldable Camping Stove is its versatile cooking surface. It features a built-in griddle right alongside a dedicated side burner. This setup means you can prepare a huge variety of delicious foods at the exact same time. You can easily cook your morning eggs, sizzle juicy burgers, sear a perfect steak, toast fresh bread, and grill vegetables right on the griddle plate. Meanwhile, you can boil water or brew a fresh pot of coffee on the adjacent burner. You no longer have to wait for your main food to finish before making your warm beverage, saving precious time. When traveling, pure convenience is everything. That is exactly why the intelligent folding structure of this stove is so brilliant. It ensures a quick and frustration-free setup the moment you arrive at your campsite. You just unfold it and start cooking right away. Furthermore, this clever design makes post-meal maintenance absolutely effortless. The major parts of the stove can be quickly disassembled, easily cleaned up at your washing station, and reassembled in minutes. This makes it highly practical for repeated daily use during extended outdoor vacations where keeping things clean is usually a chore. Portability is another massive benefit here. The entire cooking unit is remarkably compact and extremely lightweight. When it is time to pack up, the stove folds down neatly into its custom-included carry bag. This protective bag measures just 10.6 inches by 8.5 inches by 5.1 inches. Weighing in at only 5.2 pounds, you will find it exceptionally easy to transport in your hands and simple to store in your car. It absolutely will not take up the valuable packing space that you desperately need for your sleeping bags and other vital hiking gear. Do not let that small portable size fool you, because this stove is built to handle highly demanding tasks. The two powerful burners are meticulously crafted from premium rust-resistant and heat-resistant 430 stainless steel. This high-grade material ensures the stove withstands humid environments and rough weather for years. Each of these strong burners is fully capable of supporting up to 11 pounds of weight. This means you can confidently use your heavy cast iron skillets or large boiling pots without worrying about it collapsing. Additionally, it is fully compatible with standard propane cylinders, making fuel easy to find. Your cooking control is beautifully enhanced with smooth stepless adjustment knobs and a reliable built-in piezo ignition system. You completely eliminate the need to bring dangerous matches or a separate lighter. You can quickly light each burner independently with a simple push and twist of the dial. The stepless adjustment knobs allow you to adjust the flame precisely to your exact liking. This ensures perfectly stable heat distribution and ultimate flexibility for different recipes. You can effortlessly switch from a gentle simmer for delicate soups to a roaring high heat sear for your favorite meats. Durability and personal safety are at the heart of the engineering of the Nature Hike Foldable Camping Stove. Its exterior boasts a stunning matte frosted shell surface. This elegant finish not only looks fantastic, but also provides outstanding resilience against accidental scratches during travel. Most importantly, it holds an official ETL certification, ensuring the stove meets strict global standards for electrical safety, performance, and long-term mechanical reliability. By choosing this model, You're opting for a thoroughly tested product that prioritizes both your safety and cooking satisfaction in the wild. Ready to elevate your outdoor dining experience and cook up a storm on your next big adventure? Check the price link in the description to snag this fantastic piece of gear today. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more exciting product showcases. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful time cooking outdoors, and we'll catch you in the next video.